When using the Uber app, it's possible to utilize the service in a different country, even if you've relocated or are just visiting. However, the app doesn't have a built-in option to directly change your country. Instead, it typically detects your new location via GPS when you travel to a country where Uber operates, and adjusts accordingly. This means that when you open the app in a new country, it should automatically display local options, including services and prices specific to that region. To use Uber in a different country, simply open the app after arriving, and it should function as expected, allowing you to book a ride. To do this, open the Uber app on your phone, and on the home page, you'll see a Where to section at the top. Enter your destination, from and to, and then hit search. Once you've done this, you'll find the available currency and Uber services for the region you're in, making it easy to book a ride in your new location.